I don't even feel like I'm the only one that does this. When I am getting ready, about to leave, the bedroom is going to be a mess. Especially if I'm in a hurry. Like, I'm always in a hurry when it comes to makeup. The bedroom is going to be a mess. I'm going to leave everything the way it is. And when I come back is when I'm going to organize things. I don't feel like I'm the only one. Reasons why, what I have been doing since this new year, you know how you say new year, new me, new year, new gold, new year, new transformation? Things I have been doing since the 1st of January. Actually, I started in December so that you can know, work your way in, so that in January it's become something normal. Because in the beginning, when you're trying to change certain areas, trying to develop new characters, new behaviors, new things, it's difficult. But when you do it multiple times, and sometimes it becomes easy, become part of you. Normally, when I'm going out, I would choose outfits the same day, and I'll put a lot of stuff on the bed. I'll be pulling. But now, what I've been doing since December is, when I know I'm going out tomorrow, I'll choose my outfit the night before. I'll choose my outfit, put my makeup down, put everything down, and the process is more easier. But still, with the makeup, I still leave my messy makeup around. When I'm back, I'll clean it up. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So let me turn the camera for you guys so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So what I did is, this is my makeup. This is like my makeup collection. My makeup, like some of the things I use, not everything, but some of it. So I have this one drawer where I put my everyday makeup, like things I use every single day. I do kind of like change in between. Like for today, I'm using this liquid illuminator. Sometimes I change it. I'll put something else and I'll put this one back. So this is what my makeup is looking like. This is me getting ready today to go out, and this is how I left everything. Now that I'm back, I'm about to just organize everything. It's very, very simple because everything is going to be in this drawer. I'm just going to like put everything back. Nothing fancy. Just, I have some of my basic makeup products. I got this thing from AliExpress. I got two. It's like this one. It was giving me a little bit of frustration because you have to open it like this, close it like this, open it, close it. So it's become a little bit frustrated. So I just put it there. And I got this new one, which you just open like this. So I have all my basic makeup brushes, and it's very, very easy to close. You just open, you just close. And I also got this one where you have all your sponges, and it's very, very easy. You just twist it around like this. You open, you have all your sponges. And here I have some of my eye brow pencil, lip liner, brow gel, and some other random stuff. So here I fix all my makeup. So today I wanted to wear some red lipstick, so I picked up this Fenty Beauty red lipstick because I was going for something new. I don't really have lipstick in here because I choose, and I have my sponge. I just close this one like this. Okay, it's kind of a little bit tricky to work with one hand. I just put it like this. My Huda Beauty setting powder. Okay, I have to close it. So I put my powder here. I just put this sponge on top, and this one I just put it here, and I just take this and I just put it back. So this is like the last drawer. Here I have all of my mattes. I have my lipstick matte, lipstick, liquid, glossy lipstick, lip liner, bronzer, powder, and this underneath, this big drawer under, is where I have all of the things I wear every single day, like makeup that I wear every single day. So it's very easy. I can just take this one, do my makeup, and then now I have to just organize hair. I have a wipe in this drawer. I just take a wipe, and I already have this cleaning wipe in here. Take two. I'm really trying to like clean when I'm done, but it's so difficult. So I'll do this every time I'm back home because it's crazy. It's just crazy to do this. And then I'll just swipe because my room is white and I really do not like mess. I want everything to look clean. And I'll just do this, do this, do this, do this. And voila, everywhere is looking clean and organized. But when I am going out of the house, everywhere is just looking, it's looking the way it's looking. And this is just how it is. But now everything is looking so organized. And having all of my everyday makeup in one container that I can just remove and put back when I'm done has helped me a lot, because before I used to have them in a tray, and that tray used to be on top of there, and it used to be so I didn't really like the way it was looking, because you see everything organized and then you have this something on top of it. It wasn't just looking nice. So I thought, you know what, let me just get rid of some of the makeup, because makeup expires. That's the reason why now I don't really buy makeup do expires. So I once in a while I just go through my makeup and I throw away some stuff, and then I have space in this drawer because I've thrown away a lot of product. So I thought, let me just put my everyday makeup in here. And I barely buy new makeup. The only product I've purchased this year is this Born This Way concealer. I got 2. I'm going to do a demo and review about it very soon. I wanted to get the foundation, but the day I was at the do class in Utrecht, I had makeup on, so I couldn't test the foundation on my skin. And I don't believe in buying product without testing it on my skin, because you guys know I have different, my skin have different tone. The center of my face is lighter and the rest of my face is darker. So now when I'm buying foundation, I'm buying something that matches my skin, even though it will look a little bit darker on the center of my face, but I really don't mind. I'll go in with concealer and brighten up that area. So I really don't like buying foundation if I'm not testing it. So I just purchased the concealers, and I'm gonna try those. And the foundation, I'll do it another time when I'm there without any makeup. So yeah, this is it. Let me know. But I'm really trying to be organized, because I have some goals and new year, new me, the level up your life thing. But it is something you take step by step. As much as I'm trying to level up, it's something you take step by step, because one thing about me, I do not like anything to pressure me. I don't like anything to stress me. But the changes are coming little by little, like little by little. I'm really, really happy. So just wanted to share with you guys, and maybe you guys can relate. Maybe one of you or two of you can relate, because for me, this is like this is normal. When I'm going out, I just leave my makeup. When I'm back home, I just organize it. It's normal thing. But I want to try to clean everything before I leave the house. When I'm done with my makeup, just pack everything back. That is my goal, but we're getting there little by little. Team Fullest. Peace out.